Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today, I'm going to show you how to pin Google Earth to your desktop for quick access. We are going to create a Google Earth shortcut on our desktop so that we can easily explore the world with just a click. So if you find this tip helpful, please subscribe for more tech advice. Alright, first of all, you have to visit earth.google.com. And I'm gonna open the browser of mine, Chrome browser, and here I'm gonna type earth.google.com. I'm gonna visit it by pressing enter, and after then you have to click on the top right corner three dot icon, and here you will get an option named cast, save and share. If you hover over here, you will see two options here. The first one is install Google Earth and the second one is create shortcut. If you want to install it as an app, you can select it and click on install. On the other hand, if you want to keep it as a shortcut on your desktop, you can choose create shortcut. Then click on create button. And now a shortcut of Google Earth will be created on your desktop. On the other hand, if you want to install it as an app on your desktop, then you can click on here or you can click on this three dot icon and again cast, save and share and click on install Google Earth and click on install. And it's an app version of Google Earth. Now you can control the Google Earth from your computer with just a click. On the other hand, if you want to know another way to create a shortcut, normally right-click on your empty desktop and select New, and here you will get an option Shortcut. And choose it. Here you have to type the web address https earth.google.com. Press on Next, give it a name, and press on Finish. And that's it. Now you know how to create a shortcut and how to create Google Earth app on our desktop. Now, if you want to pin this on your taskbar, normally select it and drag it to your taskbar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.